Hello everyone, welcome to Newton Spectra Extramural Academy channel. So this channel is created to assist the elementary and the junior secondary school students in learning various concepts in basic math, physics and other science related subjects. So in this video, we are going to be talking about HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, share with friends, and don't forget to press the notification button so as to see every new video we'll be dropping on this channel. So let's get started. So in today's class, we're going to adopt the following instructional resources. We're going to make use of the multiplication table chart, counter, pebbles, abacus, etc. Our vocabularies include common, grades, factor, prime, division, and addition. So we are going to adopt the following instructional techniques. We're going to adopt explanatory, discussion, and demonstration techniques. So students are familiar with prime factor, common factor, prime number in their daily activities. And at the end of this lesson, students should be able to understand the meaning of factor, prime factor, and students should be able to find the highest common factor of a number using the three methods. So what is highest common factor? Highest common factor of two or more number is the highest possible number that divide the two number without any remainder. An highest common factor is also known as GCD, greatest common divisor. Good day everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about highest common factor, which is also known as HCF or GCF. Now before we proceed, let's quickly talk about what factors are. What are factors? Factors are numbers we multiply together to get another number called product. I said factors are numbers we multiply together to get another number called product. Now example of factor is this. When we have 2 times 3, 2 times 3 is going to give me what? 6. Therefore, 2 and 3 are factors of what? Of 6. In other words, 2 can go in 6 3 times, while 3 can go in 6 2 times. Now, this makes 2 and 3 factors of what? Of 6. Now, let's talk about what prime numbers are. Prime numbers are numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. An example of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. Now, prime factor. Prime factors are factors that are prime numbers. Prime factors are factors that are prime number. An example of this is when we are given 18, I will list out all the factors of 18, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. And out of these factors, which of these numbers are prime numbers? 2 and 3 are what? Are prime factors. Now, what is HCF? HCF is the highest possible number that can divide two or more numbers completely. HCF is the highest possible number that can divide two or more numbers completely. Now we have several methods in which we can use to find the HCF of the number. We have the listing factor method, we have the prime factorization, and we have the repeated division method. Now let's take this first example. Example 1 says, find the common factor and highest common factor of 12 and 18. So we write out the number 12 and what? 18. Now what are the factors of 12? 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And we have 12 itself. What are the factors of 18? 2. 2 times 9 is 18. We have 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 6 itself, 9, and 18. Now, the common factor here is 2, 3, and 6. But the highest common factor is 6. The highest common factor is what? 6. Now, let's take the second example. Now, example 2 says, find the highest common factor of 18 and 27. The highest common factor of what? Of 18 and 27. So we write out the number. Now let's list out the factor of 18. Factor of 18, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 itself. Now let's list out the factors of what? Of 27. So the factors of 27 is 3, 9, and 27 itself. 3 times 9 will give us 27, and 27 times 1 will give us 27. So these are the factors of what? Of 27. Now let's list out the common factor. What are the common factor here? 3 and 9 are the common factor. But the highest common factor out of this factor here is what? Is 9. So this is how to find the highest common factor of a number using listing factor method. So now let's find the common factor and highest common factor of this same number using prime factorization method. So to use prime factorization method, you can use a tabular form and you can also use a family tree form. Now let's try the first one, which is 12, and the second one is what? Is 18. Now let's list out the number that can go in what? In 12 without any remainder. Let's start with 2. 2 can go here, that's 6 times. 2 can go here also 9 times. 2 can go in 6 3 times. 2 cannot go in what? In 9. 3 can go in 3 1 time. 3 can go in 9 3 times. So no number can go in 1 again. 3 cannot go in 1, so we leave it like this. So 3 can go in 3 again, that's 1 time. Now all the number here are the factors of the number here. 2, 2, 3 are the prime factors of 12, and 2, 3, 3 are the prime factor of what? Of 18. So we list it out like this, and we say 2 times 2 times 3. The next number is 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is what? Is 18. Now, the common factor here is 2. 2 is common. 3 is also what? Common. Now to find my highest common factor, I'll say 2 times 3, and that will give me what? 6. That's how to find what? The highest common factor of the number using prime factorization method. Now let's find the second one. The second question now is also 18. We're having 18 and 27. 18 and 27. So let's list all the factors of 18 and what? And 27. So now let's list out the factor of 18 and 27. Now 2 can go in 18. How many times? 9 times. 2 cannot go in 27. 3 can go here 3 times. 3 can go in 27. That's how many times? It can go in 27 9 times. Now the next number is 3. 3 can go in 3 1 time. So that is that for that. 3 can go in 9 3 times. 3 can go in 3. That's 1 times. So now the factors of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. The factor of 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. Now what are the common factor here? My common factor is 3 and 3. Common factor here is what? 3 and 3. That is, my highest common factor now will be 3 times 3. And that will give me what? 9. So my highest common factor here is what? Is 9. So this is how to find the HCF of a number using prime factorization method. Now let's find the highest common factor of this same number using the third method, which is repeated division method. 18. Now to find the highest common factor of 12 and 18 using repeated division method, you must have idea of long division exercise. You must have idea, you must have knowledge, basic knowledge about long division. For instance, if you are asked to divide 12 by 2, you find number of times that 2 can go in 12, which is what? 6 times 2. That will give you what? 12. 12 minus 12. Now, there is an acronyms we use We call it dirty monkey smells bad, right? That is your what? Your int. Now, the first thing we need to do is to divide. So we take the largest number, which is what? 18. We divide it by the what? By 12. Now, 12 can go in 18 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 12 is what? 12. We subtract. This will give me 6 and what? And 0. Now, the next number given to us here is what? Is 12. You take your division again and you write your what? Your 12. 6 can go in 12 2 times. 2 times 6, that is what? 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Now, the highest common factor here is what? Is 6. Because it is only 6 that can divide 18 and what? And 12 without any remainder. And 6 is the biggest number here. So 6 is your what? Highest common factor. Now, let's take the next example. Let's divide 27 by 18. We want to find the highest common factor of what? 27 and 18. Now, 18 can go in 27 how many times? 1 times as well. 1 times 18 will give us what? 18. Now, let's subtract. 7 cannot minus what? 8. You borrow 1 from these two, make it what? 17. So now, 17 minus 8 is going to give us what? 9. This one, we have 1 left. 1 minus 1 is what? Is 0. Isn't it? Now, we take the next number given to us, which is what? The 18. We divide 9 by the what? By the 18 given to us. So 9 can go in 18 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 9, that is what? 18. 18 minus 18 is what? Is 0. Therefore, my HCF here is what? Is 9. Because it is only 9 that can divide 27 and 18 without what? Any remainder. You must make sure that after multiplying and subtracting, you don't have anything left. So this one is remainder what? 0. So kindly like, comment and share. And if you have any question to ask, kindly post them on our email or post it in your comments. See you in the next class. Thank you.